Hi guys, I'm Shazad and welcome in AWS course. Today we're going to discuss about the elastic IP or the private IP while creating the ec2 instance. So first of all, why you need to create the elastic IP or the private IP for your ec2 instance. When you create the ec2 instance, the system automatically reserved an IP address for your ec2 instance, but that particular IP address is the public IP. So what that means? That means whenever you restart your instance, the system automatically reassign the IP address. That means reassign. The system automatically changed your IP address. So that's why you have to create the elastic IP and you have to use the static IP for your ec2 instance. Let's suppose if you used the public IP with your domain, then definitely whenever you restart your instance, your website automatically go down. Okay, so in this video I'm going to create the elastic IP and we are going to assign that particular elastic IP address with our ec2 instance. Okay, now find the elastic IP. So this is the elastic IP. I'm opening this one in another tab. To create the elastic IP, just click on the allocate elastic IP address. Just click on this one. And now just use the tags. It's optional. If you're using, that's fine. If you're not using, it's also fine. I'm saying ec2 instance, the value is same. You can also use XYZ, ABC. Fine, I'm saying allocate IP. So you have successfully created the IP. Now you have to use this IP with this instance. How? Just click on the action. Click on the associate elastic IP. Select your instance. Fine. And select your IP. Click on the associate button. Now you have successfully used or set the private IP. So this is your public IPv. Refresh the page. Now you have this IP address. Fine. So this is your IP and this is your elastic IP. Okay guys, so in this way you can create the elastic IP and you can associate that particular IP with your ec2 instance. So I hope guys you are enjoying our series. If you think we are doing good, feel free to share our courses and also the videos. And don't forget to click on the subscribe button so you never miss any update. So thank you for watching.